Today, we are making kale chips. What can I say? These chips have been a saving grace for me, and it actually helped me so much during my journey of reversing type 2 diabetes. It helped me stay away from consuming actual potato chips anytime I had the urge for eating something crunchy. We're always told to stop snacking. And as much as I would love to do that, it is not that simple, neither is it that easy. So instead of snacking on the unhealthy things that were not good for me, I would rather make these leafy green kale chips or make beetroot chips and use it to curb my craving for potato chips and different kinds of unhealthy snacks. It is better to snack on something healthy than to snack on something that is unhealthy. So if you're like me and you find not snacking not so easy, this is for you. Let's get started. We'll need kale and some seasoning. I'm using garlic powder, ginger powder, some sea salt, and crushed pepper. But you can use any seasoning of choice. We'll begin by arranging the kale on the tray of the dehydrator. You can bake your kale in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 400 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the power of your oven. Bake it for approximately 20 to 30 minutes until crunchy to preference. I truly disliked kale with a passion before I found out what its benefits are. And that is why I have grown to love it and have grown to incorporate it in my meals because it has a wealth of nutrients anybody can benefit from. Kale is one of the most nutritious leafy greens available. It is highly nutritious. It provides powerful antioxidants. It's an excellent source of vitamin C. It may lower cholesterol levels. It's an excellent source of vitamin K. It contains anti cancer compounds. It is high in beta carotene. Kale is often claimed to be high in vitamin A, but this is not entirely accurate. It is actually high in beta carotene, an antioxidant that the body can convert into vitamin A. Adding kale to your diet alongside a variety of other foods rich in vitamin A can help you meet your needs for this essential vitamin. Kale supports eye health and promotes weight loss. Fortunately, adding kale to your diet is relatively simple. You can simply add it to your salads or use it in recipes, which I have done in various videos on this channel. A popular snack is kale chips, now one of my absolute favorites. All you have to do is to drizzle some olive oil and some spices and seasoning, entirely optional, on your kale, sprinkle it with salt, and then bake it in the oven until dry or use a dehydrator to dry it out like I am. It tastes absolutely delicious and it makes a great, crunchy, super healthy snack. On this channel, we have added kale to our smoothies. We have added kale to our salads in order to boost the nutritional value of our salads and our smoothies. At the end of the day, kale can definitely be a healthy and nutritious addition to a balanced diet and can be enjoyed in a variety of recipes. So, contrary to popular belief, where before I started incorporating kale into my diet, I was told kale is bitter, kale doesn't taste good, kale is not very tasty in the mouth. I have come to find that it depends on how it is used and how it is made. I have shared various recipes on this channel that have kale in them and they taste absolutely delicious. So we are debunking that notion that kale is unedible, kale doesn't taste good, and kale is not very easy to eat. I believe it all depends on how it is prepared and how it is served to eat. Once you get the right way to prepare it, which has been made entirely available on this channel, you will enjoy taking in kale like I am at this moment. Once dry, the kale would be absolutely crunchy to the touch. It would be crunchy in your mouth and it tastes absolutely delicious. I usually pair it with some pistachios or any other nuts that I want to enjoy it with, but I have come to realize it tastes so much better with pistachios. So let me know if you will give it a try. Give it a try. If you have enjoyed making kale chips with me, do give me a thumbs up, share to anyone who may need it, leave me a comment, and if you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, remember to be beautiful, be bold, be true to yourself and to others. Stay healthy and always be you.